Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the best AI avatar generator apps. The AI avatar trend is viral on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and other social media platforms. On Instagram, many celebrities, bodybuilders, and influencers are participating in the trend. They turn multiple pictures of themselves into AI-generated art. The generated art will look photorealistic and an accurate representation of yourself. On TikTok, users turn themselves into anime characters using a filter. In this video, you'll learn what is an AI avatar and a list of the 5 best AI avatar art generators with free trials. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you. What is an AI avatar? An AI avatar is an AI-generated version of yourself. Generators will require you to upload 10 to 20 images of yourself. After you've uploaded them, you need to wait for some time for the AI to work its magic. You'll then receive multiple AI avatars of yourself. These avatars can be sci-fi, fantasy, or anime themed. The number 5 is AI Profile Pic, Avatar Maker. Do you want to create a unique AI avatar for social networks and games? Then AI Profile Pic, Avatar Maker app will help you. You can create art with your photo or stop at a traditional portrait. It's up to you. Just select the effect you want to edit your photo, and AI algorithm will do the rest. If you want more features and options than Lensa, upgrade app for a truly unique and personalized experience. How the application works to create profile pictures. Upload existing images from the gallery or click on new images with the camera and upload them. Choose the perfect style for your mood. Come back at any time for new ideas for your profile avatar. The number 4 is Staritors, AI Avatar Maker. Staritors lets you create incredible avatars in 3 simple steps. 1. Upload 10 minutes 20 images of yourself. 2. We'll train our AI on your images. 3. Receive your personalized avatars. That's it. Within an hour, your AI-generated avatars will be ready for you to enjoy. If we're looking for Lensa alternative just for an avatar, then it's the right choice for you, I guess. The number 3 is Prequel AI Avatar Photo Filter. Create a unique avatar with AI filters, effects, and presets for your photos and videos. Prequel is photo filters and video effects editing app with the most aesthetic presets. It offers a handpicked selection of photo and video filters for pictures. Edit your photos and videos to make them stand out with a variety of vintage, trendy effects like kidcore, VHS, dust, indie kid, teal, grain filter, canvas, renaissance, fisheye, and cartoon. Now you can even create great avatars. The number 2 is Dawn, AI Avatars. Create outstanding avatars using the latest AI technology. Just upload your photos and let Dawn work its magic, turning you and your friends into whatever comes to mind. And all at the click of a button. Produce fun and unique images with AI and your imagination. With Dawn's innovative technology, you can surprise your friends with content that's never been seen before, based on your own text description. Want to transform into your favorite superhero? No problem. How about seeing your partner as President of the United States? Easy. Or is your dog dressed as an astronaut? It's yours with a single click. Dawn AI text-to-image generator turns your photos into stunning portraits with thousands of possible styles. Just upload your pictures, enter a text prompt, and let the AI generator do the rest. The number 1 is Lensa, Avatar Maker Editor. Lensa is a photo editor tool for retouching portrait selfies. The app has many photo editing filters and techniques for pictures to get a sweet selfie, remove any blur background, or do any other necessary editing. With its simple editing features and camera editor effects, you can make every photo perfect 365 days a year. Capture memorable moments and do the necessary photography editing to freeze each moment in time. You don't need a lab or darkroom because within seconds your peaky selfie is ready. Skin refining effects for the perfect you. Professional editing for pictures has never been easier with the skin editor feature that allows you to make each portrait selfie clearer, remove blemishes, or apply any other beauty filters for pictures of your choice. Put the focus on your body where you decide.